Hello, I'm Corporal Howman with the Anchorage Airport Police and Fire Department.
And I'm Officer Waters.
We're here today to show you how to properly film and perform your physical agility test.
You can use whatever kind of camera you're comfortable with. Just be sure the file format follows the details in the physical agility test requirements provided in your Guardian portal. Take some time with your proctor before starting the test to plan how you'll set up your camera to record each exercise to meet the following requirements. The first exercise is push-ups. The starting position for the push-up is in the up position. Your hands must be approximately shoulder width apart, arms straight, feet together, and your back must remain straight during the duration of the exercise. When ready to begin, you will lower yourself until your arms are at a 90-degree angle, with your chest approximately 3 inches from the ground. Then return to the up position. This will count as one push-up. If your arms are not at a 90-degree angle, or your chest is more than 3 inches from the ground, the push-up will not be counted. The push-up test is not timed. However, you're only permitted to rest in the up position, and your back must remain straight. Your test will be disqualified if the entire body of the applicant is not within the frame of the video to confirm the exercise was completed using the proper technique. Your test will also be disqualified if the camera angle does not clearly show the elbows at a 90-degree angle and the chest approximately 3 inches from the ground. An acceptable video uses the correct technique, the proper camera angle, and starts with your proctor saying the applicant's name. Before starting the exercise, the time should be indicated on screen by a clock, watch, or smartphone. Each correct repetition of the exercise should be counted out loud by the proctor.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
If a mistake is made, continue the exercise and don't count that repetition. It's encouraged to complete more than the minimum requirement to guarantee your success. The next exercise is sit-ups. The starting position for the sit-up is in the up position. Your hands must be positioned so that the fingertips are behind your ears. If fingers are in front of your ears, this is not acceptable. Or, your hands may be on your shoulders. If they fall below the shoulders towards the chest, this will be disqualifying. They must remain on the shoulders for the duration of the exercise. Once instructed to begin, you will lower your back until both shoulder blades touch the ground and then return to the up position. This will count as one sit-up. Your elbows must touch your knees or break the plane of the knees on each sit-up. Your feet must be flat on the floor and knees bent at 90 degrees. An acceptable video starts with the proctor saying the name of the applicant and showing the current time. The time displayed on screen at the start of this exercise cannot exceed the break time allowed in the physical agility test requirements. The proctor also must show they've set a 1-minute timer that must have an audible alarm to mark the end of this exercise. The proctor should make sure the applicant is ready and say go when they press start on the timer.
Ready? Go.
And each repetition should be counted out loud.
3, 4, 5, 6, 42. Come on, almost there. 43, 44, 45, 46, 46. Timer went off just before that 47th. So you got 46 in a minute.
All right.
The next exercise is the 1.5-mile run. This timed run is ideally completed on a treadmill, as that is the easiest way to verify the distance and time completed for the exercise. The run may also be performed by completing 6 laps on a 400-meter track. However this exercise is completed, an acceptable video must have the proctor say the name of the applicant, show a start time that does not exceed the maximum break time allowed in the physical agility test requirements, keep the applicant in frame for the duration of the exercise, and verify the exercise time and distance completed. The applicant may not take breaks and the timer cannot be paused. This test will be disqualified. A video will also be disqualified if it cannot be clearly confirmed that the timer and distance started at 0 and that 1.5 miles were completed at the end of the exercise.
Alright. Almost there. We gotta go up. 1.5 miles. Got it. Now you should be ready to complete your physical agility test to apply as an Anchorage Airport Police and Fire Officer.
And hopefully we see your application soon.